Hi, I am Naomi Cassell, and I'm presented for Team 1, and our product is On Again, Off Again. On Again, Off Again plans to create a light switch attachment that allows customers to turn lights on or off from a distance. During the previous presentation, the team was able to expand upon the design of the product through functional decomposition, the gallery walkabout, and concept screening. Here we have a picture of a light switch and a remote. The remote controls the light switch. The team believes that the wheel battery remote combination is the best option. The team planned to move forward with this combination as it seemed to meet more customer needs than any other option and is the most plausible to finish within the given time frame. Here you can see we have a remote, a light switch with a motor, and a battery. Here we have the DSM chart. We have these are in parallel and these are in series. And this is a presentation of the final results, so we are on this one. Here we have the economic analysis. Based on what we set the product to sell at, we break even at about 1,000 units sold, and our maximum profit is about 2,000 units sold. The wheel design was the best fit for the product. Here we have the CAD model of the wheel that attaches to the light switch. As you can see, it extrudes out and we have a hole that attaches to the motor. The product is compatible with IR remotes and phone apps. The infrared sensor is placed into the system so that it can receive signals from a remote to power the DC motor. The most likely part to fail is easily replaceable. The most likely component failure is the battery. While easy to replace, the product is completely dysfunctional without a power source. Other possible failures could come from the IR remote not receiving the signal or the motor arm lever falling off. Here we have a battery and losing its charge. Some patents that we found that might be compatible with our products. The first one is an automatic light switch, and it has a motion sensor that was developed on November 3rd, 2009. Another patent is another automatic light switch, which memorizes patterns used by families and turns lights on or off depending on schedules. That was on March 11th, 2003. Another patent is a hybrid controller for a brushless DC motor. It controls a DC motor with a remote from a distance. That was on August 7th, 2018. Another patent is a wall-mountable wireless remote control. It is a remote that can turn a light on or off with the click of a button. That was on November 6, 2018. Another patent is a wireless remote control. It is a remote that can turn off essentially any electronic device. Here we have design and assembly. According to the design for assembly chart, it will take approximately 4 minutes and 58.3 seconds to put the light switch attachment together. This is mainly due to the way the wiring is set up. If a custom board were created, it would save time and money on assembling the pieces. Production costs do not exceed $20. The product costs $18.22 per unit. To make a 50% return profit, the team would sell the light attachment at roughly $35. The product would cost less than half of the total production cost now if a circuit system was used instead of an Arduino kit, which is something to consider for better model in the future. On Again, Off Again is looking at customer feedback to make improvements. Currently, the product is only compatible with standard light switches. If the team was to pursue this project further, allowing for alternate light switch compatibility could attract more customers. In conclusion, we made a final prototype which we showed in class. Alright, that's the end of our presentation.